Yeah, uh, Welcome to this particular session on FDA. FDA stands for Food and Drug Administration, and the source is fda.gov. What is FDA mission? The Food and Drug Administration is responsible for protecting the public health by ensuring the safety, efficacy, and security of human and veterinary drugs, biological products, medical devices, and by ensuring that safety of our nation's food supply, cosmetics, and products that emit radiation. FDA is responsible for protecting the public health by assuring that foods are safe, wholesome, sanitary, and properly labeled, ensuring that human and veterinary drugs and vaccines and other biological products and medical devices intended for human use are safe and effective, protecting the public from the electronic product radiation, assuring cosmetics and dietary supplements are safe and properly labeled, regulating tobacco products, advancing the public health by helping to speed product innovations. The FDA is also responsible for advancing the public health by helping to speed innovations that make medicines and foods more effective, safer, and more affordable, and helping the public get the accurate science-based information they need to use medicines and foods to improve their health. Now coming to what is FDA. The Food and Drug Administration is an agency within the US Department of Health and Human Services. It consists of the Office of the Commissioner and four directorates overseeing the core functions of the agency: medical products and tobacco, foods and veterinary medicine, global regulatory operations and policy, and operations. What does FDA regulate? In general, FDA regulates foods, drugs, biologics, medical devices, electronic products that give off radiation, cosmetics, veterinary products, tobacco products. Foods, including dietary supplements, bottled water, food additives, infant formulas, other food products also. Drugs, including prescription drugs, both brand name and generic, non-prescription over-the-counter drugs. Biologics includes vaccines for humans, blood and blood products, cellular and gene therapy products, tissue and tissue products, allergencies. Medical devices includes simple items like tongue depressors and bedpans, complex technologies such as heart pacemakers, dental devices, surgical implants, and prosthetics. Electronic products that give off radiation, including microwave ovens, X-ray equipment, laser products, ultrasonic therapy equipment, mercury vapor lamps, sun lamps. Cosmetics, including color additives found in makeup and other personal care products, skin moisturizers and cleansers, nail polish and perfume. Veterinary products, including livestock feeds, pet foods, veterinary drugs and devices. Tobacco products, including cigarettes, tobacco, roll your own tobacco, smokeless tobacco, cigars, hookah, e-cigarettes, tobacco and non-tobacco derived nicotine. The FDA doesn't approve facilities. The FDA doesn't approve compounded drugs. The FDA does not approve cosmetics. The FDA doesn't approve medical foods. The FDA approves new human drugs and biological products. The FDA approves food additives in food for people. The FDA approves color additives used in FDA regulated products. The FDA's drug review process ensuring drugs are safe and effective. These are the various stages available. Stage 1, animals tested. Stage 2, IND application. Stage 3, phase 1 testing. Stage 4, phase 2 testing. Stage 5, phase 3 testing. Stage 6, review meeting. Stage 7, NDA application. Stage 8 to 9, application reviewed. Stage 10 is labeling. There are still two more stages available. Let us see. So this is the infographic view. This is taken from fda.org. You can check all the, number one, starting from drug developed. So stage one, stage two, stage three, four, five, six. And each stage of three, phase one, there are 20 to 80 volunteers involved. Phase two, stage four, that is hundreds of volunteers are there. And phase three, thousands volunteers will be there. Now see, this is stage 10, drug labeling, 6, 7, 8, up to 6, 7, 8, 9. It is a review, NDA application and application reviewed. And stage 10 is drug labeling. Stage 11 is facility inspection. So in short, putting it in a point wise, drug review steps simplified. Number one, preclinical testing, that is animal testing. Second one, an investigational new drug application outlines what the sponsor of a new drug proposes for human testing in clinical trials. Third step, phase 1 studies typically involve 20 to 80 people. Step 4, phase 2 studies typically involve a few dozen to about 300 people. Step 5, phase 3 studies typically involve several hundred to about 3,000 people. Step 6, the pre-NDA period, just before a new drug application is submitted, a common time for the FDA and drug sponsors to meet. Step 7, submission of an NDA is a formal step asking the FDA to consider a drug for the marketing approval. Step 8, after the NDA is received, the FDA has 60 days to decide whether to file it so it can be reviewed. Step 9, if the FDA files the NDA, an FDA review team is assigned to evaluate the sponsor's research on the drug safety and effectiveness. Step 10, the FDA reviews information that goes on drugs professional labeling, information on how to use the drug. Step 11, the FDA inspects the facilities where the drug will be manufactured as part of the approval process. Step 12, FDA reviewers will approve the application or issue a complete response